Leviathan is a design-focused, full-service production house. We do live-action production, we do interactive programming, development, we do visual effects and animation. Leviathan is a relatively new company, and we knew from the get-go that it was going to be a 3D animation-focused design studio. That sets us apart from other design studios that use more 2D tools or motion graphics tools. We use 3D tools to do motion graphics. And one of them is the Autodesk Entertainment Creation Suite. A lot of artists come to us as generalists that have a vast amount of experience in one package or another package, and it would really be a shame to take that knowledge and throw it away by forcing that artist to take their talent and move them to another package. The Entertainment Creation Suite enabled our artists to be a little more flexible and to use their talents in the best possible way. In recent projects, we've had the opportunity to use Maya, 3ds Max, Softimage, and now we're incorporating Mudbox into our workflow.
Amon Tobin was a project that was a lot of fun to work on. We were asked to do projection mapping for Amon Tobin's new tour. What that is we take a basic model in the computer, and we have a virtual version in the computer and a real version on stage, and we project content onto it.
The Amon Tobin project was a really fantastic opportunity to explore using the entire Entertainment Creation Suite. We developed a huge range of storyboards and options, and every detail was worked out in advance.
It was great to have Maya handle all these things, including fluids. Everything kind of took place there, and we're also able to export geometry to other pieces of software so that camera moves matched up, our world space matched up. The 3ds Max, people were able to use our cameras in world space and create objects or use our objects and go back and forth. So everything is unified, has the same positioning, which was very important because it was a locked stage and everything was supposed to look like it was actually inside the set.
Part of the really critical framework of using multiple software is the data communication between the packages.
FVX will be our main standard for going in between programs with. Using the 2012 FVX has been a godsend to us in a lot of situations.
Part of our other visuals experiences that we've created was for another really hot artist named Skrillex. We put together a really dynamic visuals package. A lot of that was created in Softimage.
We had to come up with some creative ways to create this almost alien-esque goop.
And we knew that we had to turn around in a very tight timeline, so we couldn't really spend the time to do very large fluid simulations in another simulation program where we might be waiting hours for simulations. We wanted to work more intuitively and kind of with a little bit more of artist sort of finesse to it to be able to really shape the fluid really specifically and have it do specific behaviors. So that's where Softimage Ice became a very crucial tool for us because we could use the nodal system to input geometry and then mesh and metaball simulation work that looks like fluid, but it's very fast and very responsive. Leviathan is a really interesting place to work because there's a lot of different artists and they're all using different tools, and it's a very exciting place to be.
It's great to see other artists working on stuff, and you kind of walk around and look over their shoulder and you admire what they can achieve in the same family of software, and it really makes you want to understand how you can apply all these different features into your project. So your creativity opens up knowing that these tools are right there available to you.
There are no restrictions anymore. It opens up our pool of freelancers to whoever we want to use.
The investment in the Entertainment Creation Suite has more than paid for itself. It's really been a good decision for Leviathan.